This is a new toilet I got from Home Depot. And this is a very good smart toilet. Also, I compare the price with the other toilet. This is a very good deal for the smart toilet and it's very useful function. Also, when we installing it, it's very easy. But you still can find some professional help you because it's pretty heavy for one person installing. And let me check the function right here. So this have the heat pad right here. I think it's very good for the pregnant woman. And also you can have the back wash and girl wash. And the wash button, we can make the front or back and make it strong or weak for the water. And you can press the stop button to stop anytime. And for the warm pad, it have a different level for the worm. If you don't want to warm, you can also to make it lower or higher. And it also have the auto flush. When we just use the toilet and I go out, it's automatically to flush. And also, the flush have a different level. Press 1 is a big flush. Also, we can press this button 2 to flush the toilet. And if I want small flush to save some water, I can use twice flush button to make it a small flush. Also, we can use this twice for the flush, for the small flush. Overall, I like this smart toilet. It's very convenient and have a lot of function. Remote control I put right here, easy to install, and also it looks really nice. And I compare other price. This price is very it's a good quality and a good price. It's pretty good.